Welcoming committee. Maybe this won't be so bad. Okay, first day on the job. Make eye contact, smile.
It's a dog!
He's gonna ruin everything!
Let's kill him before the new samurai arrives.
Second! Get it! Tear him up!
Sit!
Now that's what I call walking the dog.
Yeah, because she hit that dog with a walk. Is he dead?
Hey, see if he has any snacks in his pockets.
Oh, it's a trick! He's a playing dead bad doggy!
Dang it!
Second!
Wait, can we just talk for 1 minute?
Shut up, dog!
I am the new samurai. I am. Look, here's my cup.
Let him have it!
Stop! He is the new samurai! It says he's been appointed by the Shogun himself.
Well, that is... Wow. I did not see that coming.
Give me that. You must be confused, little girl. Oh, well, this is certainly disappointing.
What is?
I can't read.
She is right. It's official.
So we cannot kill him?
Yeah, no. Yeah, I know. We're all disappointed.
But we can still hate him, right?
Absolutely!
You are number one!